Hey everyone, I'm back on the Nikon ZF and today we're going to be doing a golden hour dreamy portrait photo shoot behind the scenes. I have two lenses with me. I'm going to start off on the 85mm f1.2 and I also have the 50mm f1.8, so let's get started. This is so pretty. I like it. Ooh. Yeah, just there is beautiful. So I'm going to start with a full body shot, so I'm going to go quite far away because I'm on an 85. Oh my god, that is so dreamy there. I love it. Be cool, you could like bring your arms, yeah. And then do you want to like lift the dress kind of above your knee and you can kind of pretend you're walking towards me. Oh, careful, the water's coming to you. That looks so cool. I have two things I want to mention. The first is I have to let you know this is a pre-production model of the Nikon ZF, so specs might change compared to the final release version. The second thing is that I have a complete review of this camera up on my channel and I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in learning more about it and hearing both my positive and negative thoughts about this camera body. In my review, I used even more Nikon lenses. I share how the autofocus works in real time for humans, animals, and birds. I have video examples, low light tests, and heaps more. Anyway, let's get back on location. And then do you want to try crouching here as well? Maybe if you face that way. That's stunning. And then we'll do a few more looking, yeah, that's so nice. Oh, I love these. This is so dreamy. If you bring your left hand kind of down towards your knee would be cool. The other one? Yeah. I do that too. Yeah, that's cool. And then maybe with your other hand you can kind of like, yeah. Yes, that's so cool. That's cool. And then I wanted to get like a landscape shot here as well. I love this. That's super cool. Yeah, just them there, like that's so nice there. Maybe you could like kind of hold your hands here. Ah, so dreamy. Okay, and then I'll switch lenses too. So now you gotta hold this massive one. Sorry, Lydia. What a dream. I feel like it would look cool if you kind of pace a little bit side to side and I'll follow you. That looks cool right there. If you just kind of like have your foot like this but facing towards me, look cool? Yeah. Oh! It looks cool, like you're surrounded by the water there. It looks amazing. I'm keeping an eye. Okay, I'll get in a bit closer. Yeah, I love that. I like that, yeah, how you do like the angles look nice. Might be cool if you use like both hands, you can kind of, I don't know, do something there with your forehead. Yeah, that's cool. I love that. So moody. We should do some here in this little river. It's like a bit darker. Maybe if you stand just like there where it's a bit wet. Oh yeah, that's cool. Because you can see heaps of that tree. Oh, I love that. I like that your arms crossed is like super moody. Woo. Oh no, stand up. That was so close.
Oh my god, the dress didn't get that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just in the sun. I love that way you're like a little bit hunching even, looks so cool. Just so it's not too bridal, you know? I'm very impressed with this 50mm f1.8. While I really love the 85mm f1.2, I know it can be out of a lot of photographers' budgets. The 51.8 in that case is such a great alternative. Even though it is 1.8 compared to f1.2 and a slightly shorter focal length, it is more than capable of creating dreamy looking portraits with sharp, high quality results. In some of the photos we took, I actually like how the 50mm has a bit more context in the background of the photos, whereas the 85 does a better job at isolating our subject. The water's like sparkling behind you, it looks magical. Oh, careful, the water's coming. No, it's coming. Ah, let's run. Oh my god. That came so quickly. We were standing right there. I love that, so cool. And then maybe I'll switch over to the other lens. We'll get like one more kind of headshot close up. I wonder, we could probably get some sun on your face would look nice. Yeah, that's nice. Let's use that a little bit more. I'm obsessed. It looks so good.
The water went down now.
Yeah, it like really came up high. Yeah. If you crouch just here, I'm gonna try and get like those sparkles in the background. Ooh, yeah, it's like just water behind you. Do you want to twist towards me a little bit as well? Wow, that's incredible there. I know I can hear it, it's like getting louder. Oh, nah. Oh, maybe here on this rock. So you're like close to the ground. Oh yes, that's so cool. What a dream. Yeah, I love that. Just waddle towards you. Guys, I've had this seashell in my pocket this whole day. I forgot about it.
Hello? I don't know what to do with this now.
I think, yeah, if you just like have it in your hand casually, it would be cool. Yeah. Oh, I like that with your elbow and your knee, and yeah, that just like hanging down. Do you want to put your, maybe that hand in your lap? Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. Lovely. And then we'll get one more close up in the shade just with the seashell, because I totally forgot about it. Oh, I like that. That is cool. And then if you like totally face towards me and maybe cover one eye as well. Beautiful. And then we'll do some with it. Maybe it's like if you just rest it on your shoulder. And then maybe just like holding it like around.
Oh, that's cool. Like to the side, like with your profile. And then if you have it like just here, it'll look cool. It's like one of those fans. Done. Woo! I love it. I'm so glad I remembered. It's like a nice few extra shots. I know. I had it in my pocket for hours.
That is all I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed that. Let me know which ones were your favorite photos in the comments below. I feel like this was a dream photo shoot for me. I'm so happy. But as always, I make new videos every single week, so I will see you all next time. Bye.